Hey, I'm Neely, and I'm going to introduce you to the block editor that comes pre-installed with the latest version of WordPress. The block editor allows you to create media-rich pages and posts on your site. Basically, this is how you can add words and images to your website. So let's check it out. WordPress has great tools that allow you to create any type of layout that you can imagine. It uses blocks to help you build engaging content. Blocks allow you to insert, rearrange, and style multimedia content without having to learn how to code. It's literally drag and drop. Let's start by editing the header of this site. It's as easy as typing in the box. Let's add in some additional text. And as you can see, a formatting box pops up. This is where you can choose how you want to align your text, or even if you want it to bold, italicize, or add a link to a specific word in your post. Each piece of content is contained within its own block, making it easier to customize individual sections. If you want to add a new section, all you have to do is click the plus symbol and add a block. You can also click the plus up here in the toolbar as well. Let's look at the image here. Clicking the image allows you to make changes to the image itself. You can choose how you want it to align, or even if you want to make it bigger. Here's an example of columns. Like the previous blocks, you can choose how you want to align it and how big you want to make it. Let's change gears and talk about different types of blocks that you can add. Earlier, when I added the new paragraph text here, there were several options. The first few blocks are for text, which includes paragraphs, headers, subheaders, and even quotes. There are blocks for images, creating a gallery, making a full-width cover image, adding video or audio files, and much more. Again, these are all available here. If you find that you don't like the block editor, there are more options for page builders out there like Elementor or Beaver Builder that you can try. So make sure to do your research and check out the reviews.